Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. We are here at the Technology Integration Center of Farsoon Technologies. My name is Eric, head of R&D testing team. Today, I'm glad to show you our multi-laser, large format metal powder bed fusion system, FS721M. The FS721M is suited for high-volume series production targeted applications, aiming to open up new potential opportunities in mold, tooling, automotive, and large format industry manufacturing. Now, let's take a look at the large build chamber. The FS721M is equipped with a rectangular build envelope, which is especially valuable for large parts favor one axis in the automotive and tooling industries. This FS721M is equipped with 8 lasers with 500 watts. Each can boost productivity up to 300 cubic centimeter per hour. It can also be offered with a quad laser configuration. The FS721M is designed with many features and capabilities for enhanced part quality and repeatability, like high-performance digital optics, customized multi-laser scanning strategies, and process parameters for higher productivity and uniform performance in multi-laser overlapping zoom. We also offer the fast, easy-of-use multi-laser calibration tool for overlap calibration. The updated chamber features including multi-layer gas flow with window wall design for the smooth and clean operation. The new recoater blades help improving the powder surface flatness and the consistency throughout the build area. The FS721M is also a CAMS system that stands for Continuous Additive Manufacturing Solution. Let me show you how it works. The FS721M is equipped with an automated conveyor for build cartridge loading and an electronic door located on the left side of the system. After the cartridge transport cart is secured to the loading dock, it will engage the ultimate conveyor loading system for placement into the build station. Upon build completion, the build cartridge is conveyed to the same dock for the extraction and load into the inert breakout station. This exchangeable cartridge strategy enables true continuous production capacity with almost no machine downtime. Next, let me show you the advanced closed-loop powder handling system of FS721M. The powder handling system integrates multi-powder process, including powder recycling, storage, sieving, and a new powder supply, all done under a fully enclosed inert environment. The FS721M also features a permanent integrated filtration module. User only need to clean the dust bin when needed. Finally, like all Farsoon systems, the FS721M is powered by Farsoon's MakeStar software package, which controls and monitors the machine operation. Its powerful build process controls allowed for real-time monitoring of the build environment, including laser power, airflow, temperature, humidity, and many other variables. In addition, each FS721M is equipped with in-chamber cameras, which are used to monitor and record each layer to ensure the build quality. This is the powerful Farsoon FS721M with many unique capabilities, productivity, quality, and easy of use. If you'd like to know more details, please contact us at globalinfo@farsoon.com. Thanks for your watching, and we will talk soon. Bye.